Want to see what a vault toilet at Quartzsite looks like? I'm about to take you on the vault toilet tour. You can't smoke in there. So, here's what it looks like. Today's Saturday, they clean these out Friday. We got a little friend here, but this is it. This is what you get. Some new toilet paper. These will be gone in a couple of days. Somebody put, please leave the rock. I guess art for when you poo. And voila, that's what you get. Doesn't smell yet. Near the end of the season, that'll be pretty full. Only thing I would suggest is a small table to put your keys, your phone, and your wallet, because you don't want those items to fall in there accidentally. That'd be a mess. Okay, that was the tour. Hope you enjoyed. One thing I forgot to mention about the toilets is always bring your own roll of toilet paper, because you never know. And I would suggest bringing in some wet wipes too. All right, that's it.